आज झम्बामा सूछे, आज झम्बामा सूछे। है आप लोग समझ नहीं रहे। मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आज डिनर में क्या है। गुजराती में जब लोग पूछते हैं ऐसे ही पूछते हैं। You know, Gujarati as a language is very sweet. They're soft spoken. When it comes to food, they're all like out there. They're like firecrackers. If you go to Ahmedabad, Manik Chowk, oh my God, it's a street full of street food with everything. Dosas and chaat pakodi, pav bhaji. In Gujarat, in Ahmedabad, in Maharashtra, in Bombay, if you're on that street, you can't resist that pav bhaji. But today, I'm going to make sure that pav bhaji becomes healthier, retains its taste, because this is Nutrela Healthy Kitchen. Kids who don't get to eat enough protein, this is a fantastic way of feeding them protein. So let's do this. So Nutrela granules have soaked for 5 minutes. Tomato. I'm going to roughly chop the tomatoes because anyway I'll mash them later for the pav bhaji. You can use whatever veggies you like. Green chilies. Touch of oil because butter is going to be the main component of this dish. Why do we mix oil and butter together? Because butter has a low smoking point, so it smokes up very quickly. So before it burns, you add some oil, it won't burn. Onions, ginger garlic paste. Must cook this till it turns golden brown. 2 chopped tomatoes, chilies. Now I'm going to cook this till the time tomatoes and onions leave the oil, leave the butter. You should see it skimming out. So oil has left the tomatoes. This is the time I'm going to add all the veggies. Boiled potatoes. Without potatoes, there would be no pav bhaji. Matar, peas, capsicum, cauliflower. It's time to add our Nutrela soya granules. This will make this super healthy because 52 grams of protein for the 100 grams of granules that we are adding, plus adds a lovely texture to your pav bhaji. This is just the right texture that we need for the bhaji. Also, the kids won't even know that they're having protein, but this will complete their meal like nothing else. 1.5 cups of water, touch of salt. Our curry is coming together. Let's mash it. You know, this mashing reminds me of how much effort goes into making pav bhaji, man. We get paos from the store, but you know traditionally how paos are made, it's poor man's food. It is said so that when paos were made, they are called pao because we would use that pao to knead them. That's the reason it was called pao. Now when we do the pao, it's either hands or it's the machines. It's no pao anymore. You notice the cooking time, it remains absolutely the same. Soya granules cook very quickly. Pav bhaji masala, chili powder, as you cook the bhaji with the masala, the color quickly changes. I'm going to add lemon juice, very important for any pav bhaji. Mouth is now watering, cannot wait. We need onion rings. Pav bhaji, Khao Gali style, with half the amount of butter and with Nutrela soya granules makes it extremely healthy. Now you can have pav bhaji every day, guilt-free, because it's healthy, it's simple. Why don't you try it back in your house? Send me your pav bhaji recipes. Subscribe to our channel if you want more such healthy recipes and try and cook it. It's simple.